Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, guess what? I am going to be trying to cook / bake in a limited time. Hey, what if I told you I am going to be doing something special on my YouTube channel? Really? Well, why not? Well, come on. Let's do it, okay? So it's kind of going to be special though, as you saw the intro. But yeah, let's start. So I'm going to be keeping the timer over here or here, whatever. Somewhere over here, going on here. So you guys can see how much time I took, and I'm going to be keeping it for real time. If I'm going to be doing a time lapse, I'm going to be speeding up the timer also, so you guys can know how much time I took. So let's start. So guys, what I'm thinking to do today is try to make a lemonade or lemon juice. I don't know what's the difference in between these stuff, but I got these pictures from Google. I don't know what's the difference, but yeah, let's start. So I need to take my ingredients. All I have is 2 glasses of water. I have 2 lemons. I have a knife. I have a spoon. I have a cup, and I have some sugar. So I'm going to be trying to do something, well, a lemonade with all of these ingredients. So guys, I'm going to be trying to make this really fast because it's a short timer.
And guys, disclaimer, because some of the clips of the video has been not captured because the camera battery was low, and I just changed the camera in the next clip. But just telling that I am starting from the squeezing the lemon because the other part of the video was not captured as I told. So enjoy and continue watching.
There's a little bit more left, okay? I'm not really good at squeezing lemons though. Just saying. Let me just do this. Fast, please, fast. Come out really fast. I'm scared about the time. I'm like, why did I make this video though? I'm gonna be speaking, but even when I'm doing this, because I don't have enough time to give a time for speaking and give a time for doing, so I'm gonna be doing it 2 in 1. Yeah, multi-roll. Okay, let's do it. Next, third lemon. I think you guys can see, 3rd lemon. Eeks, okay. Yikes. Whoopee, doopy doopy doo. I'm scared, my hands are full of mess. I can't touch the camera anymore. Yep. So you guys know I'm not cheating, okay? Okay, I think everything in the 3rd lemon is gone now. 4th lemon, last lemon. Yeah. Better do this fast. Let me see, I think it's 2 minutes up. 2 minutes 49 seconds, I think. Or maybe less than that, I don't know. I'm just counting in my mind. Okay, I think all of my lemons are done. Next, I want to wash my hands. Be right back. So guys, I'm back. That was really fast. Now I have all the lime in here. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Maybe not a little bit. Not really tiny. I don't know. Whatever. So let me just open this sugar really fast as possible. There's already a spoon in there. There's already a spoon in there, okay? I think I'm going to add 2 spoons of sugar. Let's see, 1 and 2. Voila. 2 spoons of sugar in. Yikes. Next I want to pour some water. I have 2 glasses of water. So I think this is fast enough. Scared. Have 1 glass in. Let's do the 2nd glass. Is that enough? Do you need more? I think I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I only fill one glass of water because it's already half. It's like a half. But I don't want it really full. That's gonna be awkward. I don't know how to pour off that. So let's put this glass of water into it. Oh, that's enough. Wow, we're doing good. Hopefully it's not 5 minutes already. Okay, let's mix it. Mix. Fast. Fast as possible. Yikes. I think I got it. Fast. I don't know about the timer, guys. Comment down below what's the timer right now. Yes. So scared. Mixing it as fast as possible, guys. Fast as possible. Fast as possible. Yeah. Okay. Really fast. Fast as possible. Okay. A little bit more mixing. It looks like a tornado. You guys can see this. Actually, I'm not sure if you guys can see it because it's like black. The glass is black. But whatever. I'm mixing it like a tornado. I think it's almost done, guys. I'll bring my phone here so I can like show you guys here. So I'm mixing as fast as I can. Yeah. It's like a tornado right now. I have all the stuff here. Even the camera set up. Okay. Mix. Okay, mix. I think it's almost done. I don't see any sugar particles under it, so I think it's done. I think I need a filter. Be right back. Take a spoon out, and I'm gonna pour it in. So once I put the first drip, timer is over, okay? 3, 2, 1. Much better. I just like the way I'm like calming down. Okay. Hope you guys liked the lemon juice. I want to take a sip. Doesn't taste bad though. It's kind of tasty. Yeah, it's kind of tasty, guys. This is also kind of like a tutorial of me like showing you how to make a lemon juice. Hopefully I know that all of you guys know how to make one, but whatever. I'll try to make a better video next time. Yeah, I'll try to make a series of this because this is actually fun. Making a thing in a certain amount of time. So yeah, guys, hope you like it. It was actually fun to do all of these. I have a lot of things to clean up, even if I just spend like 6 minutes. Actually 5 minutes, because this is like, I don't know, IDK, whatever. So yeah, guys, hopefully you guys like this, and comment down below what video do you want next, because you know, if there's any easy idea I can do really fast, I could just do it in seconds. I can post it as the next video. I have a ton of videos planned for you guys. I think I said that 10 times. I promise I'll try to make a better video next time. Well, but whatever. So guys, I think we're gonna stop right now. I think this was a really fast video than compared to others. But yeah, let's finish it. I'm gonna drink my lemon. Really good. I like it. That's two teaspoons of sugar equals to 2 lemons. So tasty.
So guys, today's shout out goes to, we have Hisham Shamir. It says #FF Squad, amazing. Okay, next shout out goes to Sajina Kanayo. It says #FF Squad. Next shout out goes to Harshita Run. It also says #FF Squad. So you all have a shout out, guys. Yeah, I'll get a shout out.
So guys, make sure to click that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll never miss another video. So guys, hopefully you guys like this video. So let's do the outro. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.